Facebook, YouTube, we're at it again. Today is Wednesday the 22nd, believe it or not, February. We got 2 in the books today. We're doing a total of 5 areas with pet treatment. Stay tuned. All right guys, pre-treat now. Stay tuned for some results. Thanks for watching. Check it out, guys. They got some wine stains and some pre-existing urine that we're going to treat today. They just moved in this house. Let me show you. See that? Yes, sir. I'm going to treat those areas right now. Stay tuned. All right, guys. As you know, we're agitating the fiber urines now. We already conditioned it, letting the product dwell. We treated those areas of concern for pet urine. We're gonna let those urine salts dwell so we can emulsify it and extract it. And remember guys, whenever we treat your carpet for pet urine, it's a 2-part process. So the first part, we have to treat it, emulsify it, and extract it. And because your carpet is like a cheesecloth, because we can't clean the back of the carpet, we have to wait for it to dry and then come back. Usually the 3rd day when it's completely dry, we apply a topical treatment to help oxidize any remaining stains. A lot of times, especially with leather carpet, it is gonna wick back of the residue because we can't, again, clean the back of the carpet, we can only clean the top, and we're not replacing it. So we had to wait till it dries, and then the urine salt residue is gonna dry to the back of the carpet, wick back up, and then we treat the top. So that is our process, and then we, what that does is it helps oxidize any remaining stains, making it invisible, and you're back to the original state. Again, if you guys need a service, reach out. Glad to help you. Let me know if you have any questions, and hope you guys have a great day. Stay tuned. So just for a recap, guys, little information and tip. If you ever get a pet treatment service done by AO Cleaning, we do come back and do a follow-up post-treatment for good measure to make sure that any existing stains that may have wicked back up is all oxidized and uniform. All right, guys, have a good one. See you in the next one. Check it out, guys. Remember those stains I was pre-spraying with the wine and urine? Look, guys, already emulsifying. Check it out. Amazing. Beautiful. All right, guys, stay tuned. Beautiful. Alright guys, that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching.